Just some things I'm working on today. This will probably be these potatoes here. I don't know. Over the course of the next few days. I've tried the putting them in the these blue things here, and I just really didn't have any success. So I'm gonna try something different this time. But I do have some new things on the homestead. Some type of angel trumpet. I'm not sure what any of them are really, but I took it out of a pot, and I mean, it has really jumped. So that's really nice there. And the pomegranate has come back really beautiful. Today's Good Friday. And then I had another one over there, and it died. Let me show you some stuff I got going on. Look at my checkerboard. Look at all that pollen. Magnolia tree is doing well. I babied it, and it's good now. Move one over here. I'm not even sure what you call it, but anyway, mint. Separated it today. I'm trying to get some herbs going on the homestead. Need a little more pulling of the grass out, but I've got some bluebells that I moved if I can keep the dogs out of it. It's looking pretty good. Amaryllis, daffodils, Johnny Quills, whatever you want to call them. There's some cactus over there. All these are pretty much the same, but they're looking good. This is coming on up. Let's get through here. It's becoming quite the jungle. This aloe. And this is that same plant, but it's just not doing very well. Angel trumpet's doing well, although Billie Jean has knocked them over about 5 times, so I'm really surprised. I've got this viney thing going. It's come back really beautiful. My friend Sally gave me that planter, and I found that African woman. I don't know what she is, but that's what I call her. She's beautiful. Put her there. This little design. And then over here is some type of lily, Easter lilies, I think. They've come up really nice. They transplant some of those too. I don't know. They're everywhere. They're really spreading. Some Johnny Quills, irises. Not sure what that purple is. Tub I'll get ready soon for my outdoor shower. It's my outhouse. And this is the first blooms on these this year. But anyway, working on veggies. Those are just about bloomed out, I do believe. Everything's just going so nice. Aloe. Do have some onions. They're doing pretty good. Those are from a couple years ago. I've got these started. The first several rows are lettuce. I got them 4 for $1. I have these. And the last 3 rows are, I've forgotten that quick. Isn't that something? Spinach. So no, we'll see what it does. I'm not sure how you pronounce that. Lofa. It says to soak them 24 hours. So I got that going. And I got a pot ready for it. That's the transplanted mint that I did. But I'm gonna do some sage in here. Just want to get some herbs going. And I've got potatoes and yams. So I don't know, a lot of stuff. And kind of got to build up some mounds for some of this stuff. I'll probably get the sunflowers and something today. Turnips, more lettuce, radishes, chard, always good. And you never know, it'd be the first time growing pumpkin. So I don't know. And that's a delight there. If I can get it transplanted, I'm gonna pull some of that out and make more plants of it. Anyway, so that's what's up. I had to put Billie Jean up. She won't leave the chickens alone. When I go in there to feed them, she wants to bark. And she's going to be a mama. Today is day 51 for her. I'll let you out. She's big. Get down. There's a Tin Man. Anyway, I think a snake has already been in the, has already been after my eggs. I don't know, gonna have to catch it. They're running away from her because she's being bad. I gave them some cabbage and ooh, they love that. Of course, they got their laying mash. Alright, well, I'll be back later. Got a few pictures to put in. Look at her being so bad. Oh, I got the cactus more in the sun than it was, so hopefully it will start doing better. And I've got this ready for something, not sure what yet. Now this cactus, it looks great. You can actually eat this, which is the purpose of it. It blooms yellow. It's something pear. I'm just not good with names. And that's some more of that viney stuff. Two kinds of flowers are in there. Those have just really taken off. They bloom like a purplish blue periwinkle, I suppose. And those towers that I found from the swap shop. And I've put a piece in this. It had a small root. You see that? That's how that big plant I showed you just now. Hopefully it'll take off. I don't know. If not, I'll put some viney stuff in there. You never know. I may put a tomato plant in there. Anyway, just a little more. Got some Jerusalem artichokes over here. This just kind of comes around the drive. They're invasive, so you have to be careful with them. This is some of the stalks from last year. They did great. They're beautiful too. Anyway, just over here doing some weeding. Thought I'd show you these. They're spreading pretty good. You can eat them. Though I've never eat them. I have them if I need to. Alright, well, we're going to sign off. Got the grass cut. Some of my apple trees. Peach tree. Got a creek down there. And of course there's Miss Billie Jean with her babies. Coming soon. Alright, talk to you later. Signing out this time.